वह जल्दी सीख जाता है। He learns quickly. He learns quickly. मैं इसे संभाल लूंगा। I will handle it. I will handle it. अब देर हो चुकी है। Now it's too late. Now it's too late. यह मेरा फैसला है। This is my decision. This is my decision. मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूं। I will come in a while. I will come in a while. उसने मेरी कोई बात नहीं सुनी। He didn't listen to me at all. He didn't listen to me at all. क्या यह सही विकल्प है? Is this the right option? Is this the right option? मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूं। I am ready for this. I am ready for this. उसने मेरी मदद लेने से इनकार किया। He refused to take my help. He refused to take my help. मैं इसके बारे में नहीं जानता। I don't know about this. I don't know about this. वह मेरी परवाह नहीं करता। He doesn't care about me. He doesn't care about me. यह बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। This is looking great. This is looking great. हम एक ही स्कूल में पढ़ते थे। We studied in the same school. We studied in the same school. उसने मुझसे कुछ नहीं कहा। He didn't say anything to me. He didn't say anything to me. तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? क्या वह सच में ऐसा करेगा? Will he really do that? Will he really do that? वह सबका ध्यान रखती है। She takes care of everyone. She takes care of everyone. तुम हमेशा मुझसे लड़ते हो। You always fight with me. You always fight with me. मैं इससे खुश नहीं हूं। I am not happy with it. I am not happy with it. यह मौका दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा। This chance won't come again. This chance will not come again. उसने मुझसे कुछ छुपाया है। He has hidden something from me. He has hidden something from me. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया। You did a great job. You did a great job. क्या हम एक साथ जा सकते हैं? Can we go together? Can we go together? मुझे उसकी आदतें पसंद नहीं हैं। I don't like his habits. I don't like his habits. उसने कभी हार नहीं मानी। He never gave up. He never gave up. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है। This is beyond me. This is beyond me. मैं बहुत सोच रहा हूं। I am overthinking. I am overthinking. तुम समय पर क्यों नहीं आते? Why don't you come on time? Why don't you come on time? क्या उसने तुम्हें बताया? Did he tell you? Did he tell you? मैं तुम्हें कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूं। I want to show you something. I want to show you something. वह कुछ खास कहना चाहता था। He wanted to say something special. He wanted to say something special. उसने मेरी बात काट दी। He interrupted me. He interrupted me. मैं यहां नया हूं। I am new here. I am new here. तुम हमेशा शिकायत करते हो। You always complain. You always complain. क्या तुम मुझे घर छोड़ सकते हो? Can you drop me home? Can you drop me home? उसने मुझे खुश किया। He made me happy. He made me happy. यह मौका खास है। This opportunity is special. This opportunity is special. मैं अब और इंतजार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait anymore. I can't wait anymore. क्या यह तुम्हारा अंतिम जवाब है? Is this your final answer? Is this your final answer? अब मुझे चलना होगा। Now I have to go. Now I have to go. मुझे अपनी गलती माननी होगी। I have to admit my mistake. I have to admit my mistake. तुम्हारा नंबर क्या है? What's your number? What's your number? क्या तुम मुझे समझा सकते हो? Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me? यह सिर्फ शुरुआत है। This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning.